In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an income and expense tracker using Google Sheets. Whether you're tracking personal finances or overseeing a small business's budget, this simple tool can help you keep your finances organized and clear. Let's dive right into setting it up. To begin setting up your tracker, you'll first need to open a new Google Sheet. You can do this by heading to Google Sheets in your browser. If you're already logged into your Google account, it'll only take a moment. Once you have a blank file ready, you'll have a clean slate for organizing your money matters. Next, let's focus on structuring your sheet to effectively track income and expenses. Click on cell H4. This cell will eventually display your total income, so it's important to set it up correctly. Ready? In H4, type in the formula IXSUM B5 B8. This formula will automatically add up your income values that you'll input in the range from B5 to B8. With this in place, as you update your income figures, this cell will recalculate to showcase your total income. Now let's tackle expenses. Move to cell H5. Here, you're going to set up a formula to total your expenses. In H5, type the formula SUM E5 E29. This instruction tells your sheet to sum up all the numbers you input in that expense column range from E5 to E29 in this scenario. This dynamic calculation will reflect any changes you make, ensuring you always have an up-to-date tally of your outflow. Balancing your finances is a two-part task, earnings and expenses, so let's bring it all together. In cell H6, we'll calculate your financial balance by typing EOH4 H5. What this does is subtract your expenses from your income, giving you a quick look at your net income, or, put simply, how much money you have left over after expenses. Once you've entered all these formulas, don't forget the crucial final step. Hit the Enter key. This will apply the formulas and display the results based on the data you have input into your sheet. With your tracker now active, you can begin inputting actual figures into the designated columns for income and expenses. Immediately, your totals and balances will update, providing you with real-time insights. And there you have it, a basic yet effective income and expense tracker in Google Sheets. This setup will simplify managing your finances, allowing you to track your financial health effortlessly. Don't forget to save your sheet and keep it updated as you go along. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this tool as helpful as I have. Happy tracking!